Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% discount on DAG Authoring Airflow 3 certification and you can save $150. So this is the beginner to pro by Astronomer. So get 100% free Apache Airflow 3 DAG authorizing certification. So want to become a Airflow Pro? Astronomer is offering the DAG authoring Airflow 3 certification absolutely free. Normally $150 is charged for that, and don't miss the chance to level up your skill and in the workflow. So exam details are there. 75 multiple questions will be there. Duration will be the 60 minute. Passing score 70% means 53 should be correct out of 75. And cost will be $150 free for this free with this offer now. Language will be English and discount coupon will use this one. So perfect for the data engineer, cloud professional, and anyone who is working with the workflow automation. Learn DAG design, scheduling, operations, sensors, tasks, dependencies, and best practices. Showcase your Airflow 3 expertise with a globally recognized certification. So claim your free certification now and save $150. This is the registration link. We'll go through the registration link. Open this one in your browser. So here you can able to see this certification exam DAG authoring Airflow and price is the 150. Okay, this is a 100% view. So price will be the 150 and there is other details will be there. Important notice, getting started, and exam details will be certification detail will be there. So pass the astronomer certification Airflow and DAG authorizing. You must demonstrate or the understanding of the various features. Okay, so DAX including advantage, disadvantage, all the things, and this is the as following topics will be there and more exam details already we have discussed, and this is the resources. So click on the purchase. So log sign up with your Google or any your account, or you have already account, then you can direct login also. So directly we came to the purchase page. Now we have a coupon. So come to the coupon. This is our we have coupon. So open this coupon and put this coupon there and click on apply. So now total will be the $0. So instead of $150, we got the $0 and click on purchase. So we have done this one and there is a start. So you can start and you can complete. And one more thing, you have to complete this total things will within the time limit. So time limit you will have 30 days to complete it. After 30 days exam will expire and must be purchased again. So $150 you are getting, and that you have to purchase again. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free and save $150 DAG authorizing Airflow 3 certification. Step-by-step process I have shown to you, and how to claim this one. I have given the registration link also. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Share with your friends and get certified for them. Get certified to them, and just help them to get certified. And follow the process on in the video. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.